Hello and welcome back to another episode of Shenzhen I. So the last solution. Actually, yeah, let's revisit it right now. I thought about it. So, yeah, we'll make a new one. So really, what I need is, that's the wrong one. What I need. Is it actually connected? Looks weird. So what I need, let's just ignore everything. So we need to have this on-off thing. And yeah, for some reason, yeah, I didn't want to use labels at all. Let's just make a label called loop. And that label we do this, and we do this. And then I guess it's this, right? So basically what that does is it always alternates, as you can see right here. And that's the easiest way to have that. I don't know why yeah. I don't know. And apparently there's a, well, I assume there's a way to do that in one little chip thing. So we're gonna try and work on that. So if it's not, I wanna test if it's what do I want to test? I want to test if it is 0. No, if it is 1. And if it is, I want to jump to loop. And if it's not, I probably just want to sleep, right? And I guess I need another. If it is a 0, wait, this is more complicated than I thought in my mind. If it is 0, then I don't want to jump. What does that do now? I need to save a line somehow, somewhere, I think. Because this one needs to loop as well. I need to jump, but I don't have another line here. And if I don't sleep, does it matter if I don't sleep? Alright, so it's 999, which is not 1, so it jumps back to start. It does that, but it never sleeps. So we never advance in the time. Yeah, we need to sleep in here too. So how do I not? And this is the condition that breaks my loop. I can't get rid of that. I need to sleep in here. How do I sleep in here? Oh, I don't need to jump to loop at all. Because I'll go there anyway. Right, so if this is 1, if it's not 1, then go to start and sleep. right? Is that right now? Don't know if that works for everything it should though. Yeah. Ah. Why did I not think of that last time? Because I didn't want to do labors and chumps. Okay, it's the exact same that Chrome has. That's good enough for me. Alright, moving on. 5 minutes. I did think about it off camera. I thought about the chumps and labors and that I could do a loop like that. I don't know why I didn't want to do that. I didn't think about it. Alright, prototyping new ideas. Sometimes a decent product idea falls out when you're faffing about with chips and code and the like, so I've set up an empty prototype board for us to experiment on. On you go then. Chips. We can test with some different parts too, such as custom LCD panels. I will add other new parts as we receive them. Gee. Custom LCDs, are you serious? That's brilliant. It would make retro style handheld games. Let's all take turns designing one. Carl, come see me. If you have finished all your other assignments, I have more work for you. Gee. Who's this Carl fellow you mentioned? Nobody we know. Design and create an electronic game. What? Click and hold this button to indicate that you've completed the objective. What does it even, like, what does it even mean? I can just do whatever I want? So I'm supposed to, like, design a game here on these LCD screens. That's way too open-ended for me here. I can't do that. I'd have to think about that. What are these parts even? No one knows. Speaking of not knowing, I don't have this open. I should. I'm bad. Sue me. Alright, there we go. Can we just ignore that for now? Let's ignore that for now. Well, maybe, I don't know, if I really want to implement a game. Just ignore it for now. That seems to be the safe bet. Today I want to talk about the goofy things visitors here tend to say. Actually, just one thing. It feels like every time a certain kind of Western visitor comes to China and looks around, they go, wait a second, I thought China was communist, so why is everyone shopping at the store? What is up with that? And that's when everyone around laughs, because one, the dude always thinks he is making some good observation when we've heard that at least 1 trillion times before, trust me on this, and two, gosh, it's complicated, okay? What's important is that so many of these guys' impressions of communist China still come right out of the 1970s, and they are so surprised when they get here. Like they had no idea that things were changing dramatically here this whole time. Well, hey, you haven't been sitting around and doing nothing since Nixon, and neither have we. Well, whatever. And we've built more than just the factories where all your smartphones and game consoles come from. The world is changing, fellas. Empty your mind, don't cling to your fixed ideas. I believe in you, okay? Okay, yours, Tilly. Little help. Wireless game controller, that sounds fun. I'm wrapping up a project to make a game console and could use some assistance. Before you get too excited, it sounds far more fun than it actually is. The console is just a tiny super cheap box we're making for Sleep Cubes, the big Japanese capsule hotel chain, to stick in every pod. The games will just be some free draws they find, I'm sure. At any rate, I've got it mostly done. I just need a module for the little wireless controller that comes with it. I ping you, you tell me what's going on. Nothing much more than that. Sure. Alright. X and Y are simple inputs connected to a joystick. A and B are simple inputs connected to buttons. Radio RX is a non-blocking X-bus input connected to a radio receiver. And radio TX is an X-bus output connected to a radio transmitter. Okay, so R is the receiver, T is the transmitter. That makes sense. When a data packet is received over the radio from the game console, respond with the following three value data packet, making sure to use the most recent input values. X, Y, and then either 0 if A and B are 0, 1 if one of them is 100, or if A is 100 and B is 0, 2 if A is 0 and B is 100, and 3 if they're both 100. Alright. And then I send that to the transmitter. So I receive something. When I receive something, I check all of those values. Right. Don't know how I want this to be yet. And then this would be my out, I guess, and then sort of the same thing here, probably. And then I have 1, 2 X-bus, so I need this thing here. Actually, yeah. Not sure if this is the best way to wire this up. But it feels like the minimum to me right now, because I need 2 pins for this one and 2 pins for this one. So I need 1 for each of them. I could use big ones or small ones. Maybe I need more code lines and then I need a big one anyway, but let's just assume I can do it with the small ones somehow. Yeah, this is gonna be, and I also need to wait around this time because I need to wait for Rx to be -1 apparently. Okay, and I need to send three, like, how do I, okay, first of all, how do I save 3 values into one register thing? How do I make an array or whatever? Register or integer? Pin register. Can't read that. Make this a bit bigger. Some of this window's in a weird shape. I can't. I don't know. Whatever. Yeah, I need to figure out where that information is first and foremost. How do I make the XBus data packet have more than 1 value? Not sure where I find that though. Let's see. Registers. Pin. nar. Register. Jump, sleep. Arithmetic. Okay, there's a digit command. I didn't even see that yet. But that's not what I need here. I can't find anything. X-Bus. I can't... I don't see. How to send more than one thing. Whatever, let's just ignore that for now. So I guess I wanna... Oh, this is gonna be complicated. This is very complicated. This is... It's getting very complex already. Because there's lots of things. I should plan this out more than I'm doing right now, probably. Because even just testing this stuff is not going to be super easy. So I could do like, if this is 0, but then I also need to, and let's say yeah it is, then I also need to test if this is 0, and let's say yeah it is, then I need to send 0 here. I need ands. I need a logic and. Ah, this is annoying me. Because now, like, if I do this, then this is gonna trigger if this is not 0, and not only if this is 0 and this is not 1. Like I can't tell when, like, if I do something here, it doesn't matter what. I can't tell if this condition was not true or this was not true. One of them was false, but I can't tell which one. So I definitely can't do it like that. I mean, I could do labors again and jump there. So I jump to A0 and then I test if B is 0, and if it is, or if it's not, then it means that B is 1 and A is 0. Or 100, not 1, I guess. Then I want to send 2. Let's just maybe do it like this for now. I don't know if this is the right. Yeah, I don't know, we'll see. Right, and then this line is if it's not. If it's not in fact 0, then what I want to do is again test if the other thing is zero, and if it is, I want to do 1, and if it's not, then 3, right? I'm running out of lines here, am I not? Because I need to sleep still, and I need to send Ek out, which is not gonna work here, is it? So I probably can't do it like this. So if A is 0, I jump here, and then if B is 0, I want to send 0. Yeah, I don't have enough lines for this like that. I think I could make that work like that, but not with the smaller chip. And if it's not 0, then it's 1 or 100, I guess. Then I don't jump, then I test if this is 0, and if it is, I send 1. If it's not, I send 3. But the thing is, I can't, or can I? If I don't save it, if I just send it, would that work, potentially? I don't think it will. Because I won't be able to prevent sending more than 1 then. I mean, I could have this, maybe, and then I could jump past that. But I'm missing 1 potential send now. Because I'm either sending 1, 3, or 2, but I'm now sending 0 now, which is not good. Ah man, I feel like that's maybe possible to do, but I can't figure it out right now. The thing is, I'm also sending, like, there's nothing. I have to send something because it's an X bus. I can't just not send and then read the 0, basically. I don't think I can save a line anywhere here. Yeah, I don't think I can. Ah, unfortunate. Unfortunate. It would have been nice otherwise. And I still don't know how to send the packets. I don't know how to send both X and Y. Do I just send like 2 and 1 and then probably, right? Let's just assume that's what I do. So I would just do whatever, P0, X0, and P1, and sleep. But where would I put all of that? That's so weird, because it's like two... Do they come... I don't know how this works. The following example circuitry is in free value packets from inputs. And rise them back out to output in reverse order. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know. Because then that would mean that this just... I would just test. I would want to test if the receiver is -1, I guess. And if it's not, I just sleep. Or whatever. And if it is, I need to read all of these things. But then I sleep anyway, right? So I mean, this is always sending now though. How do I prevent that? And this one would be always sending too if there's an input here. I need to, yeah. That's the difficult part, I guess. That's the part I should probably think about off camera. So I could use the, what's the command, SLX maybe? I keep forgetting. The sleep until there's an input thing. Sleep until data is available to be read on the X+ pin specified by the operand. So that would mean I wait for the signal and then I send one out. So if I get a signal, I move a -1 to X0 and 1 to X1. And then this is just that, I guess, maybe. This can't work like that. So I still need to do something with it, I guess. Okay. Who cares? This is our garbage. No. Let's just do... I guess like that, yeah, whatever. So I got the... Did I get that right? Is that why that is lit up now? Did I do that? Is that what I did? I guess so. So only this is still broken. Very interesting. What's the best way? What's the easiest way? To figure out the AB thing. So I just need too many lines like that. This is not good. I mean, like if I do if A is 100, just test the other way around, see if that makes a difference. And then I also test but then again, yeah, I need to jump somewhere, right? I can't do it without a jump. So A is on. Oh no, I'm doing it wrong now. So this is if A is off and B is on. And this is if both are off. Right? Maybe. And now if A is on, test if B is on. But yeah, again, one line. Might have to use the big board here. That might be the only way to do it. Then I need to send it free. Okay, so why does this not work? Because as it turns on, first line, second line here, I guess back to two values here. That's the third value. Oh, this triggered two things because my logic is wrong somewhere here. So if A is on, then I go to A on. Yeah, this makes no sense. If it's off, test if this is on, and if it is, this right now? I don't even know. I did send the right packet, yes. That's progress, I would say. I just can't... I really want to use the small board here. I don't think I can. I think can I use the small one up here? 1, 2, 3, 4. I probably can, right? Why is it not recommended that I use this? Maybe there's something that I'm not thinking about. But like right now I don't see why this shouldn't work. Can I not go straight up? So now I just need to figure this out. I feel like I'm not missing much here. I might just need more lines. That might be the one thing. Because I don't think I can cut this down anymore. This is not a very good solution, it feels like, but whatever, right? Still not quite there. Alright, so... Okay, now I get the input here and here. I test if it's 100, which... It's not. I test if the other one is 100, which it's not. So I sent a 0. Right, actually this is wrong. I'm sending the 0 twice here. This should be 1. This works, I think, I hope. It looks like it does. It's probably not a very, cheap or elegant solution, but it works. I'm using very little power, but my production cost is 1 higher than Chrome's. Why is that? Why is it 1 higher? Oh, Chrome is using 10, so Chrome is probably using 2 big boards instead of the 1 big 2 smaller that I'm using. But you have the same amount of code. Interesting. If I could fit this somehow on a smaller board, on a small chip, that would be amazing. But I think I'm gonna be happy with this, because I mean, like the lines of code, it's just one run that I'm more expensive here. This is not terrible. I think I can live with that. Yeah, I can. I've decided that I can. And I also can play a game of solitaire right now. Episode is running kind of long, so it's again a no thinking allowed kind of solitaire game. which that already doesn't look good. We have red, 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 but the fourth one is bad. Black is very bad. We somehow need to get red out of here for sure. That did that. Great achievement right there. Is this a good move? I'm thinking, that's not allowed. No thinking. No thinking, come on. Green, 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 green. No, come on. I don't want to lose this, but I feel like I'm on that path right now. If I put the 2 on the 3, it doesn't really help much, so let's leave it here. The 6 I can't really move. The 2, if I get the 2 away, I can put this 2 here, but it would just give me the green, which I can't move. Move this green away. I could put the 8 over here, this 8 down, which gives me another open slot up there, and I could do 6. Does not look good. We need to do some drastic things here, I think. Just try, basically, because I don't see what I can do right now. This does not feel like a good move. Nine, 8, 7, 6. Where are the 5s? Are hidden back here. If I move the 3, I can get a 5 over there, but then I can't do much else. The 2s, pretty bad too. Yeah, I think this might not be winnable from where I'm at. But the 4, I don't have a 5. I can't make one. To get in here or in here. But yeah, that was the move that killed me, I think. 'Cause I can't move that 6. Or that 6, or any 6 for that matter. Do I even have a move still? I mean, I can like... I can't even do that. Do I have a valid move left? I don't think I do. New game, this is not good enough. Let's needlessly extend this episode by playing more Solitaire. No, that doesn't quite help as much as I hoped it would. Red, 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 black, black, black. Green is very close, but not close enough, unfortunately. If I move this 9 out of the way, I can't get rid of any stacks. But yeah, if I move this, then I could do like this and have the 3, but I can't keep going from there, can I? Well, I guess I can open something up, maybe. Yeah, okay, that's a start, maybe? I mean, it does achieve some things, at least. Man. This is also not quick. I'm terrible at being quick, apparently. I put this up here. That was a very rash move, so I hope you give me credit for that one. Nine, 8, 7, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4 is really bad. Not sure if that was a good move. Doesn't feel like it was. We're slowly, very slowly opening up things. 7 can't go anywhere. No, so close. I need to move one card and I can't. Yeah, I think I lost this one too. Oh, you can't pull cards back from the stack. I didn't even check that yet. Good to know. Do I have a move left? I don't see one. I need this somewhere else. Or just one open spot somewhere, but I can't make one. I don't think, at least. Yeah, no. Giving up. Bad solitaire play, but at least we solved the lever. That's it for today. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.